Perfect.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be doing a DIY. I haven't done a DIY in a really long time, but today's the day. I will be doing a fringe umbrella. I've been trying to find a fringe umbrella, but they're like $300, not 30 but $300, and I'm not paying that much for an umbrella, so I'm gonna make it myself. I bought an umbrella from IKEA. I'll insert the clip of the name of it here, and the fringe I got from Hobby Lobby. You just have to look for a roll of fringe and then get the dimensions for it and the measurements that you need for the size umbrella that you get. I don't remember what I got for this umbrella, but I'll try to include it in the details in the bottom of the video. And let's go ahead and get started.